Have you ever been charged by a bull? Or better still, have you ever been in the bull run in Spain? Not likely, but all the same. You will agree when we say bulls are massive. They have got the body, they have got the size, and most of all, they have got a monster attitude, not forgetting. Some may be walking monsters of muscle and flesh like the Belgian Blue to the Brahman Bull. Before that, if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos. Now check out these 10 biggest bulls in the world. Number 10. The Brahmin Bull. Did you know in India the bull is often referred to as Nandi? That's because he is considered the vehicle of the holiest Hindu god Shiva. Brahmin bulls were exported to the USA from 1850 to 1925 and were bred extensively. This is because cattle ranchers and breeders in the southern states of the US and the Gulf found them sturdy creatures who could withstand heat and not even get bothered by insects. A Brahmin bull can weigh up to 2,200 pounds and has a typical features like droopy ear and loose skin, especially below the neck. Just like camels, they store food and water in their hump and can go for weeks without eating or drinking. Number 9. CB Bhagnari. The CB Bhagnari bull is native to Pakistan, and like the Brahmin bull, it is also a humpback breed. But oh, just look at the size of this massive creature. CB Bhagnari bulls can weigh anything up to 3,500 pounds or 1,600 kg. CBs, as they are also called, the largest breed of Zebu cattle that have their origins in CB in Balochistan province of Pakistan and named after a town called Vagh and a river called the Nari. The giant bulls are often seen displayed at the famous CB fair held every year in the area. While they are massive in terms of weight, these guys are also stand tall at 7 feet and are often debated as the biggest bull on earth, competing only with Chianina. The CB is also stronger than the Brahmin, and I can definitely tell that you wouldn't want to be at the receiving end. Number 8. Belgian Blue. Looking at a Belgian Blue, these guys look like some bodybuilder with an overdose of steroids because of their oversized bulging muscles. That's exactly what they look like, just a walking blob of muscle. And hey, be honest, are you wondering how many burgers would come out of all that beef? The Belgian Blue is from Belgium, but you know what? You would never be able to pronounce its real name, and that's Resdila Moyni at Huet Belgique. There is also a term for the way they look, and that's double muscling, which occurs because of a condition called hyperplasia that gives the bull an increased and unusual amount of muscle fibers. The Belgian Blue was introduced in the United States in 1975 because farmers just could not resist such a profitable item of cattle. Number 7. Chianina. You are looking at the oldest and one of the largest cattle in the world. The Chianina originated in the Val di Chiana of the Scini in Italy and has been bred there for the last 2,500 years. Chianina typically weighs close to 3,750 pounds and almost 6.5 feet tall. And you thought you wouldn't see anything bigger than the Belgian Blue. Chianinas were known for their tough fight, the ability to resist parasite and withstand warm weather. Perhaps that's the reason they have been around for so long. Tuscany is quite proud of its Chianina, which is why these bulls are also paraded during the Corteo Storico of the Palio di Siena, which is a costume parade in Tuscany. Till now we have seen pretty docile bulls. Number 6. The German Angus. When you have got a bull that looks like he wants to shove his nose up your backside, you'll thank your lucky stars that he doesn't have any horns, and that's one feature of the German Angus. Moreover, they are more meat and less fat, which makes them more profitable. A male German Angus can reach up to 3,000 pounds and look like your typical menacing bull. Their dark color makes them look more intimidating than other bulls. The German Angus is also a product of crossbreeding between local German breeds and the English Aberdeen Angus cattle, hence the name German Angus. And you know what? They may look dark and scary, but the German Angus is popular because of its good nature. Now how about that? Number 5. The Parthenize. A Parthenize with a nose ring can make a real fearful sight. So if you ever see one, don't even think of venturing into its field. The Parthenize is a French cattle breed that named after a town Parthenay in France. It is originated in a town called Deux-Sèvres, and in its early days of conception, the Parthenizer was used extensively for milk because the Parthenizer was one cattle that produced the highest quality of milk. An exclusive type of butter in France called Charente Poite can only be made from the milk of the Parthenizer. Later it was also used for meat and broth work. However, today because of its size, it is mostly preferred for its beef, which has a very low cholesterol content. A male Parthenizer bull are said to be one of the biggest and strongest breeds in the world. Number 4. Indonesian Simmental.
Jij denkt, groei maar weer niet door die wordt
The Indonesian Simmental is one of the massive bull, and looking at it you definitely can see why. It is built like a Hulk and is just 3000 pounds of massive muscle and flesh. These guys make another bulls look puny in size, and that's because Indonesian Simmental grow to a larger length than other bulls. Some specimens can weigh even more than the average 3000 pounds, and cattle breeders around the world commonly regard the Simmental as the world's largest bull. The cattle are raised for both milk and meat and have a typical reddish color, making them look more like cows. A height of Indonesian Simmental can grow up to 5 feet 2 inches, although there have been some specimens that have grown up to 6 feet. Number 3. The South Devon. The South Devon is one of the largest cattle breeds in England, with its origin in Normandy. The South Devon shares the same common coloring of copper and red tints, much like cattle found in France. South Devon bulls look large like colored hulks and weigh up to an average of 3,500 pounds, but some have been recorded to weigh a massive 4,400 pounds. And here is the thing, this isn't the regular bull that you need to be scared of. This is one gentle giant who can walk all day, which is why they were bred for their strength and milk production. The highly resilient breed features a high rate of longevity. They can keep on reproducing young for 15 years, which is why they are one of the most preferred cattle in the world. Number 2. Montbéliard. The Montbéliard breed of cattle do not weigh as much as other large bulls, but these are one of the most sought after breeds in France. Their superior quality milk that features a high casein content provides a richer yield of cheese, which is why these cattle thankfully escape the slaughterhouse and are reared mostly for dairy. Montbéliard milk is used mainly to produce the Comté cheese, a favorite among the French. A single mature female will produce 2,600 gallons of milk in a year. Montbéliards also have a high longevity rates like South Devons and can be recognized for their reddish hues and short horns. Now check out our number 1, the largest bull breed on earth. Number 1. The Maine Anjou. Number 1 is the Maine Anjou, often regarded among cattle breeders all over the world as the world's biggest bull breed. The average weight of a Maine Anjou is nothing less than 3,000 pounds and was raised for both its beef and milk. The reason why the Maine Anjou also looks like the Hulk on steroids is because of the myostatin deficiency that results in doubling muscle, a fact that makes it a favorite and profitable breed among cattle farmers in France. The Maine Anjou is clearly the world's heaviest bull and is often showcased at every cattle show in the region. The Maine Anjou can also be found in different countries because of animal experts, where 1/3 of their population exists in the USA. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell button to turn on the notifications so you can enjoy our next video, and comment below what part did you enjoy the most in our video.